Koyego moye bwechirubere 20 na isana bro nakorira eira kira ritukuri Jumapili ento chikoba to kuomera na chinsa bune chiga asomurubiri buno yiga gosanga amange ari atwetanaine ebuna abana inchi bensi ya Kenya nabo igana mono kurwa sorgongo rwagusia se studio nonde nere Haron Ototo nyengiri hoyo hore omumanyi bwa mangana ge siasa sama miyenda korigeria siasa na oborai bwa abasaye nabo igo Julie Kerubo wamangana yechisemi nabo igo obwene bwa bana banyaruka na omwana omosubati omwancho murigeria karibu sana namba ito esiminera ase screen yago gagu nabo gosangana into nabo gwake simi ase studio nabo igo nabo gotobwatira gwetera sensemo yeito ye mitandao nabari bonse bagotobwatira kurwa ase Zook no tore channel number 38 tobwatira ne kurbono kuika komweyo ngachira bono tunyara kuba tugochaka enkwana yeito murioka kurinde tutarachaka mbuya mwancho murigeria nyara kuba kubaigwa amariogi abaryara baiga kero tutarachigo chaka ase inchira ya beno chaka no kokwana okobe karibu sana na boko mkwano mwancho murigeria
Happy New Year. Imatenga Happy New Year mwaka torao. Ndo kwa na Happy New Year baka. Nkole ngikuba Happy New Year toka na tuana pala taite.
Ndo watu wangere wana watu mwato.
Watu tega to kwa hiyo ni mwaka ndo. Happy New Year murigeria toka tenda TV na katembe friend katembe friend ko bebe parora ngende so ni katembe TV tore. Itukulia lero na lokana ndo kubaze pande biga. Tukuna kwa murigeria mange hali ya tabani kwa mwanamke ya Kenya.
Thank you so much.
Na nchi na kwa ni mwancho Mario Getembe TV andonsia sori marogobe yabona karibu sana imeyege ikaro yari ndo tonyara kurigereria amange arengetense yeto ya Kenya na indengo batebi magende gutwara uburigererio biya tusange asowamo Marieta Julie Kerubo.
Yes, naiche tigante venga Happy New Year mwaka bona mweba toragota. Nande to kuruga igaso mwaka moya eto kwenda se Valentines lakini otote wa activate the mood ya bantu dressing en chobo kemeka ko present ya bantu nje kwa samienda ngokararia asiredia 102.7 Getembe FM kozi muroge ko kutwarera ane ko kunde 001.
Thank you so much mwancho murigeria naye karibu sana ndoche bangere wakati simi mapema tushikunya kwa bato kugenda ko chibwati ko mwancho murigeria naye mbuye mona soko tubwate teto chakiri murioka ningana ya birege kwa niko besega ndate kwa niko the mood going around no ko kwa machibu ye krasi ko bina kabere mwaka bwechiro bere mironge bere na inyaso mwazira kwa tugete amatemayo ase idageke yememo na mukubeke kwana inoga kuna ne mono kero mu kwanda chiskuru ko basaro ngo ngaro gusi county ya Kisii ni county ya Nyamira tankira nyako ko kwanda to
tangi mango congratulate bari bonsi banya tukabago ikaransa amatemo nande bagakora amatemo yo ngore ngi emudi risiko na ngari ni nabantaba ngimbaite te ande ko to kwano gweta taringa no gweta kwa university gweta kule to gweta na kanari grade kira kone nyako ko ngeria masomo ndoro chena na ko gweta no mga kanara na ro nyote di mana kwa da wasia shere kanisa bana kwa shere ya ago ka kanisa te mo to mga ko ri bono ase kwa na goals kiria bisatri ko se bidango bia ko se yeganga yae ko no mga ko te bugwa muntu bwa play eso kumugaro kumugero because he has achieved whatever he wanted. Bono actualization yae itisenga ero ekile sibona takire ko bero igo bali bonse banya ka kara mutema iga we congratulate them nga ba ko tabya na ndi skuli cya busiko bono no karo ko tembo sigereri chene to batiko ko miaka ya kare wakanya skulu wo skulu bo okay chichi ko kana chinga chichi ko kana chinga chance lagi bono ga chira irenje lagi tega mwana skulu bono ga skulu ya twalire gostine si plus ya mo omwana wa university bono ko ne skulu na average skulu bata bana teni university go matematali ngobe ekabani ngenta banta banga bago twale spele ngere banga bago tesko gerinya ki mbachi go ikirania goal city go standard city ba set yeso go etamate ngene go bono ki ngaro muntu wa jiri university wa jiri college wa jiri private chia no chikunyara ko nibya bantu ngen ko etamate form 4 bono go ikire are bono go ende to muntu mata banga mberto ko nyara ibire ji bija form 4 wa ko ra go muntu wa ko nyara ko gweta go muntu.
Thank you so much. Ine nkwana ya ntiko cha sore Julie ngakira nyarko bakoko kwandra machibu yo mako yabange babire bagwesoke ne bono mu waziri monyene nate betenga amatembu yo mako yiga nikarenga mayakero korengana ni myaka yende ya mayo kwa sorongo bagusi nakikwa nyarko bakoko rigeria sofa abakorerwa amatemu.
Asante sana Moriketo Clinton essence moyesemi chiskuru cha gusimo no na chigokeire asoko kori biye samatemu ngocha tore umete muna mwanya abantu gose no mu gusio mu Kenya karo amatemu asokiri chiskuru to kumnyokera twali muna alliance chipa format twaligereri chiskuru chiri china in general muna chipa format tweba ichirichire binyore ime, you know, once omwana akore class 8 or score even 150 120 school nere range na mwabali ngakuru tugochi ngai saudi the school is not performing well, but I'm happy that most schools asoro gongorwa gusichirichire binyoro ime nigo chiriro kaine ngache mukire nere chabere chigo kolibia, but also I want to appreciate the CS of education ogamba chinguru chiria bekira sense mo ye education boigonyo umwana no arota akoreta buye samatemo na bwata another chance opportunity ende yokuirora matemo ayo erinda nyore grade clear taite, lakini onye igo chiskuru chinyinge they really performed very well. Yeah,
thank you so much. Sam ngwane yago naye
nainche tiganda tema comment rekia ba mintwana rakaba kwa tinko ba na kiribanya rakaba ba kwa nisengi nchunga bono iga everyone is talking about amangana ya masomo naro chigari ya seniors by the way umo Senator Machore is your penyuri watabanga. She congratulates she school chagusi, and indeed we can say nga abana bonsi invited we want to congratulate every person or ebusio ko isaransa tamatem whether nkwa nyorte keriwa takete ko seto nyoreti we congratulate you again to kende keringa ki abana banonye moro chibai teta matemo abo. Actually you can telling that they faced a lot of challenges when abana ntu abata mangana corona when they were I think class 8 bono bagaicha tokatuara embraye toigo bakarabera isiko kidogo, lakini all in all at the end of the day they have achieved what they have achieved. Na indege ndokende ndege tokote aba narora juli wakwanera injira nero eriyo mwana kanyaro go se 130 120 250 odu tugochie skure range na ngabwe anda ke twalengira ringa yani chiro tu ne attitude y'abanyakenya ringa skuru etiri konya ko bagego perform. But at least nowadays you can telling we have a system that kero mwana any school ndriko the giants atakare to kariringa kinga ki alliance yakora kisi school yakora na kikire yakora twanyoranga at the end of the day na chichoka turigirete. But we have a balanced now, at least we have a balanced system of education whereby na batu kwa na chisukuru echirengerere andaka koba nchirichinde na ndike tokende Clinton ngo ko rankaringa ki umuwaziri narwe tokindi abana abanonye muroche bai teta matemo yo weta mna kwa takete. We have a mid exam which is from July. You can prove a point. Lastly, what Ototo said, that on your kwanyore B+, now you have set your standard. Let it be like you go to the standard that you have set. Make sure that the standard yekuwa bekiri kwanyemekiri kwanyore gentogete gego cha konya subuma na inda nene mono asa bible yandana ko basemi ngeringa ki abana like last time I said tari bono go cha kosomero umwana una kaminyo kirego chia una karage go west chibeza chiao united saransa morenga nkikiranya ko bakeko bakona.
Thank you so much. Yune nkwana yabara likuru sense meiga kubwatkana na matemo ayu mwanchu murigeria KCSE 2024 tigatuske bosyo bono tonyarko batokurigeria mangana yobora ibwage siasa ase serikali chechi county anamo turigeria serikali ye county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira tutaraso kurigeria obokoreri ase serikali enene kuikira bwaniga mwanchu murigeria bange mbaga natugwesoke na gotebanga ne banekero serikali ya Kenya Kwanza erigite kuikirania obokoreri obuya sofa abaibori mbali baga ndire gwesoke na koendra kurwa chinkwana chabana batabango bogimani gobokongete anamo no chinga kechiga chokwane kya baro konkurenda bare chiseme chabo tyo chake naye Haron Ototo Nyengiri otomanya sense moyobora ibwage siasa anamo no kurwase orongorega rwa gusitika tura chakire county ya Kisii sofa amatukambwa amaiga igangwa koro roboti kubwatkana no roboti urubekegi marwa rweta se omodita general kubwatkana no gwikirani kwa bokoreri abega magendra se serikali ya county ya Kisii sofa o mumenyi bwe county ya Kisii nabwatekende akwego kere kubwatkana no bokoreri bwe serikali yako
ase ngotero musiriasa obokoreri bwe serikali kwa sensa kwa manesa sensa ya siasa ni go kwa ligereri kolengana aso lewe ya predispata na wasomota bose ase alimuga tio kwa kero siagi ko na ogorigeri watoki aso lewe ni kiri kwa predispata china wasomota serikali ya kwa ase alimuga tio kwa siagi kwa ogorigeri agenda so kwa gare kero ogorigeri robot to akaleta for example to ngo chomali last year rundu kwa tamulia mange aitonya kwa to ko bolenda chinde omwako yoiga kolengi na omotinyo kabiri muna SNT ko igoro umo gavana kwa county ya Kisii musike pose mbarati ngo ikale bose kwa senate nanya kwa kwa raborongi ngaki gore mabodi arenya to kwa kwa kwale mate mabodi ali akurese office
cho auditor general ali go changa bono kwa korera mamocho nya go bolna ki injwanga to aresa ngaki utumite chibesechi ngaki utumite chibesechi ga gocha igo ikine kelgerere mono nande igento kenda ka dokumenta kulgera ligoro ya sector yichibesa igo to kulgera nga ande robot ronendwa mochitiko soka bwango iga odo tindanya dikiri chebuya lakini rogo machikumuri kurunga account ya Kisii na yamo yabo igito kulira nga chibesa nchibolite abantu sikaba kulira nga besa nchiyo kero mutau tenolera besa nchiyo kole ngono mugafa nangolera nga besa nchiyo robot iro tanga 3 billion chi account ya Kisii njira segete gachi timatinge chigasi amalie taro timatin kuta chiro on paper go se chira liquid cash ngachi basa njiro cha 3 billion chira se chi account ya Kisii chitara tumeka buya igo taro kolikere domneke afwe koleta mugulia mangenga what next igo nkirende to kodana pesa nchiyo ne chiba chiro ndi chitara ba approved go tumeka go se ninki kenda ga no mugulia bwenda kuboli wa mangena no mwananchi go somo menyi bwe account ya Kisii bwenda kuboli ngaki go kira bona ga chiba singe go chitara go tumeka
neba no mwaziro tenete ikiganche kenne chinga kichama gana tabanga neba serikali chi county chiganda te ko ruwa maboli ase chibesa chire chi county chire chitara withdraw chibesa chabo kurwa se account area ikubwatu kwa chibesa chabo bano bawo kumikira bago saba chibesa nandi chire chitara kuno bune chikwa mention riche billion sato Julie so far ayebuna umurari nabo iko kwa bere ko kwanikyo bakorerwa basoro kongoroiga emyaka yiga yerange bere igane metini igoro akiura kwanda bakoreri bwe serikali chi county specifically kurwa soro kongoroiga bagusi.
Asante sana Moriketo Clinton ase serikali mono guchaste county ya Kisii tiante vese mwili ya magenderero naroro gusetayo ani timaitu gusenaroro tayo gusenaroro because tiatorarire mostly sense medio gochenu guse health ntwaro che Kenya National Medical Laboratories mostly se county ya Kisii ngamba bwa tumugoma lakini bagaika wikaranse egeikaro kyabo na kuigwana okuigwana no kuiga neri bakwanete mu gusengo kigotekeleza bala majukumu abo erinda abanyagitari aba bagenda negasa ninde mbacho katabanga ki enkwane eri twakwanete mbai serikali teikiraneti Kisii county government teikiraneti igotigebe onye aba bakori gasbe county karoba kolera mararamishi aba ninde bagwikaransa bakwana tigama enkwane yabeku yakorere gasi oiga tokorigereria se chinsemo chichi para nini mostly para nyinge ntorara tokoro sesole amaroboti amange tokokora abana inchinkolera balenga gakitwa kule chipara ntoraro seribu okonyore para nere kuru montaro omwana mpaka squeezega para igatena okara tena korosu abana inchingo kolera bale bali bakwende chiro obokoreri gwese chichiro na borobu bwabeire bokoba obobe gese serikali county ya Kisii nebwenten kurate nenera aligererie county because in the near future we need something that we can refer we had someone like this and did this yeah
etikatucha sore samna yaturanyora enkwane yako ase obokoreri bwe serikali chechi county and kuna bamiro bate birika kurwa soro ngoriga abokoreri mbura babu ya sofa korengana naye chinkwana chago igoro yengana yenchiri
actually to kurigereria the last 2 and some months kwa chikwani kwa serikali county ya Kisii kura umuske Paul Simaratia so as overall we have faced a lot of challenges especially we had the political temperatures whereby bakora nokania no suru bakominyokania women rep wa Karacha but when we look at the political temperatures at least on chile sake esini kusa sini choku bwata na kulikuwa nyako kwa kumara yense abo umonene gusomara yuriyo tenete azimio umusikira ilo dinga at least now we can say ngoisa na sabare asemese yemo usoro na arati but still ne abati se ichirichiro kenkenga ngo konya ko bachiri chikoreta usi chigo keyobo chigo keye tokurukanga obokore asa nginjonga na bora nyoro no chigo koreka na sigete kwanyaranga na abantu bari babo disruptive bakorete furugwa sime kutano bachire ngendo munengyaganyana ko bakanyana ko bagiye gutukyagana obokore bokobombe ntuwa niyoretenga at some point kiba sanjiri kera nete county government ya Kisii njirana ko bakiro koregasi mirimo nande bono ya here in January mwana nchikolera arabasa nchiyo bari kolera baranda ke basanchiyo cyo kwira abana school but a county nyene we have hard workers being bakonya kolera gari baranga ko bakona kibesa kiro kibesa nchira aron ni tota tabire chia 3 billion actually tomaitini echiron echiro asigite chiri ikichigo kora, and yet there's a lot that is needed to be implemented. Unabono, when we talk about chipara juli nani vile, the paranero no ni jari kinyona for a long time. Every politician who comes, they are promising a pare nere ndanga ningocha to make sure yakore. But we have never seen parabu ichigo ko. Mtu araga igaba contractor bakore. Oh, ntraka nubesa ntraka rukuni. Aba contractor aba manyenga asikie wale kwa if roads, especially Kirichi County, they have not been built. Despite that, Kisii County, according to the expectations Governor Toete, still we haven't met and we have a long way to go.
Thank you so much. Sama hote wanga we have a long way to go. Tikato cha sore haron to tambo keba na to se county ya Nyamira hiyo kero kubweka na serikali ya county ya Kisii, county ya Nyamira ya twaro kungusanogo till in fact twatware baka I think impeachment trials ya Samaria okungusanega tu governor enseme executive na county assembly hiyo aseboni gebwato bura yobo ya rire ira yogo chakwane ke uno mwaka 2025 nsio mo speaker moya mheshimiwa Thaddeus Nyabaro ni chukwe ndo bakora liboro bya saba na nchi ngakiura kwanda bakora li ase county ya Nyamira so far 2 years some months
na ekaro kuligerali chi county chia Kisii chonsi yugo chia Gusii yure county ya Kisii amone county ya Nyamira orange chinga mna chitwini gete ina wing ko machibale ko copy kirike ko ka se county ya Kisii ko machibale ko re kananga ngere ese county ya Nyamira na boyko lakini nde skerto ko ndama ngana impeachment na ni county ya Kisii nyanya ko chikwana kiwa duringa umu konyi bo mugavana umu skera pati msare murana nya ko 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 impeachment you are successive the same time as a county ya Nyamira umu konyi bo so mugavana umunyene na mujeti kwa kusiko ase ekureye mu msiyo ya mu ka ngote bonjo ke birengara liga kangire ni tengi jete osengo cha senator anyaka bagakora rukurinde bagotaba nganza chinda busingo tabale nganja kweta bareke tondo inawe abange kukwana balenge nga obwa matebo mu governor we county Nyamira omusike munyaribo amo no mu speaker omukoro omusike eno kokero za chinde bwa to bwa mategetega buko bwaterana gukora imirimo se county Nyamira za chinde bonde nabo kagaje tia ba MCA wa Nyamira yega ikirete bagaka esba bwa kekura kumurusia bisi baganyaka bagachora mu MCA we kerenyo umuske Thaddeus Nyabaro ajiko irali bagaliya abali ne korengana na alia gukwaneka gose factories kanjiringa umusikana kokero nabegete kinaime igongera aba conclusively nga gose process yenja vete according to the law igo bado bagente kwa giwo either positively gose negatively ya Thaddeus Nyabaro kwa speaker we county you nabo igo almost crack we county Nyamira ngalingete na era na rusetibu igo bado Nyamira tera and one and the go chikia make Nyamira in a way more worse nelinga already Nyamira bwata ba MCA 20 out of MCA 20 already ni kama bono tebu ati ba MCA batatu wana Nyamira ta geriko to ara kwa election isato ni ndema iko nyaga go chiria ba MCA baiga onyorenga omo governor ko rusibabisi osina ko yamo ya bolete bana ngo ndajira mondana kwa kisabu mwanyendiri aringi go senkuru asekete na asekete kanganja akonyete lakini Nyamira na ero neligereiri but on terms of chibese to kwanrese county ya Kisii nganjitigarete ase Nyamira timaiti go sesa munangi nyuli go se rietre Nyamira ndiare ngwaro ero timatika nira ni chibesa
nkwana ya juli ya kuna rato manye na ki county ya Nyamira bokoreri bwa beire so far.
Asante sana Moriketo Clinton. Muna tocha twaligire muna tocha twaleta marobotia gochama niga korokana muna na ranka Kisii na Nyamira at least Kisii. Matukoligire dia serikali ya county ya Nyamira it's seriously asleep because most of the residents singo complain ibale serikali erali tokoligere dio mugavana Amos Nyaribo nonye kasi ya gukora we kanoeka utenna mutui noroche matukoma kena asaba emochari agasaba chikoni what's that we need someone serious as people when we want to vote tikatocha ro muntu gutokonya uko muntu gutuskimotu oigo tokoligere dia ba MCA amatukama ega babere bakoreta chisegi like in politics we are concentrated on impeaching people we are not concentrated inga ki etu atore tutokara magendo why can't we come out but I mean no MCO we kenyoro tigankore kitigande tenkore inchino MCO we kerenyo tigankora maendeleo getiga we are only concentrated inga nyerebe akorete iga bono ni impeachment bon togende you know when they are sitting there they are getting their money But us outside here, we are not getting any money. Lakini I'm happy egetambo kerobairete muno mwaka ngego chaka no mo speaker obo mo ya Thaddeus ba chikubwatera naba MCA once elinda at least Nyamira should be speaking somewhere. Yeah.
Nestitura chasore samwe ototonate banga e county ya Nyamira ero chipa changa singencho. I remember if I'm not wrong Harun nabako ngiyorigaiga serikali ye county ya Nyamira ya bete ge kova named one of the best aso kutumeka also go appropriate a budget ya yase enchirerengia so far obokoreria se account ya Nyamira ngakibwa be.
Okay, tigana wenga obokoreria account ya Nyamira actually tiganda iyo ntongera diga Nyamira mahali watoto wanabatiwa. But for me I support Nyarigowati actually in Tokeria Sabete kitchen and mortuary and Savannah Wakonya Umbia. Because you have seen the president was in this county.
Yeah.
They including the cancer center. But that is Japanica. Umara even sana renga kera renga ga go celebrate the new year. Agaitra ga to surprise. Tanda ulipina go sikende kia koteken. Wana ya koreka. Yoma for me nyarigo ga sabete gen to kere ke kake. Ko tema serikali na maybe mo kore ke kero kiege. Anyway, jangi na really swali kwa boy. Actually for me I can judge Nyamira na Karabe County. Ria la tena magento reko gera chisegi cha bile Nyamira mesinyi ya bahadi chisegi chire okurusi wobe siko umo speaker in fact umo speaker okelo iga kuri bibya nyari tro chia ba MC bakarate agenda yokurusi mo government but it commit bakaranga the next person yoranga at least ra rusi como beko bororo it was there okelo is just eating bibya nyari lakini renda bono mtego wa panga unawashika wako ndani na wenye hawako ndani bono igente kichisege chikairo che tugatwara egeitage gasarigwa tugatwara umwamisi na ro sambere twe nyumba tugatwara ya wasari ya nechi chiko chi wodi chiro chini chitabwa ya MCA no nina tokoba ko stress ni njore mirwa ekyo ya IBC so nchetingo tabanga abokore bwa Nyamira mboroto at the top isini kero che egeitage gusarigwa egere mwamisi go sambwa nechi se nchiri kwa lao development ya ko bale ko kana asense ni goboni immunity na obokoreri adomorese report nero ya sogete if you can remember we have news report nero ya sogete na among the counties chiri we ikowe entokia maiga manya konyora services Nyamira was in fact the top from Masoro Gwawsi. Because we cannot top corruption in the same table Namakendra at the same time. So for me, I feel like Nyamira never, if we compare it to Nakisi, they are just like twins. Kotuba say ora, and remember that I was always saying this thing for the last some time that never to get mpaka ngaga Nyamira naga Kisi. But at the end of the day, it is Kisi. So the success of Nyamira, we are concerned as Kisi County. The success of Kisi County, we are as well concerned. The success of Nyamira County, Kisi County, Nyamira should be concerned. We come from the same place. Now, Ragaiga, Karacha, Gomara, when Sacha, Gosharika, Makumi. Neribokarata, Narendo, still. Neverendo was our end be Quenekiwa. Tindo Chinga was not everything and Brenda Kerwati. What I have is of birthdays, one on and one bass or method. What does that help Nyamira County? Sure. There's nothing. We need to see Amantwa Koregas. We need to see in January. Everybody they are struggling with the issue of school fees. When I'm going to keep a budget, yeah. Again, to talk about bursaries. Chico boost you, Muburi, a Garanga, Anako, Akonor, Akuru Money School. We have had cases, Muburi, a cold ringer, the what school fees are. And that is the issue of leaders in Kisi. We should manner. No, Zitomania can think again. When I can walk you with as yoga, a commander can make Yausi. You go on, no, aber I should manner, by some of IMCA, you have a Tavana to charity. Instead, they appropriate their budget. I get it in Arcobago Konya, and now I say,
Thank you. So kwa na gwase obo mobombo gusimu ancho morigere nyuranga tokenda tego sanga mase yemo asomoro birubugi karo kyagetembe haiga tugandete gosansa munyorana onsi aria na kikuru ase chinsemo che serikali chechi county ntubwata manga turaje gusangira turaswa ase ekyama kyage siasa kya upa ekyo kibwate hobwamate bosike kubwatira no bwamate no muwaziri mukoro mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i na ndemo no siasa chumo gusiti gatura kwandra ubwikirani kwa magendera iga Aaron Ototo kurwase serikali nebu na samwa kwanda ari muraibu ensina tambo ku mwaka sense meiga unfortunately akachigwetera se one of the project yate by cancer center anyatko baga koloncha kanyoranga kama bukia yetu na bokerebu na kere what is happening ase obomobomo gusi anemona so kubwatana kurwase serikali na because no muraibu ense keragocha he expect him to be remogo sababiria baire we have someone who should follow up ntua twara baraibande ba totebanda ke beminchete goikirana gari ase umo burobiro bo muraibwense mbaroro bago ikororo bamuigetange iziti mbari go sababu se bikwena mbiri kubwati
ikintu katangani kwanza ndara comment igoro ya statement juria making igoro ya igoro yo mugava na nyaribo ngore ngino anye ense it is a free world ekaro kugenda no eno hoteli muntu narugo cyo saba bokimana ngoko yo saba chips yo saba sukuma yo ndatabanga ndagenere ko kuchafuka okwa batibere mbekira igo mugava na nyaribo go sinison right go saba kelia rochenga ngekwa ngoro otherwise nande kato bolinga ngo kusaba sabe gosine ne gatiye chindege na botra bolinga ki otherwise rende utakora kuno ne mochiri ne kicheni kwa sabe kere rais umwe ko chikora mbali kuchibura ali rende utarekero ana the issue ya state lodge zachinde ibintu mbere to chito take out of proportion from in my own view kero muntu litukoliri ngotambuka lengo mwaka mwae ne litukoliri mendi for eshere na omuntu yokoruguna nero muraiwenzo musike William Ruto nigo atwarigete munaba gusi ochibuoye tuchikosherekea kutambuka mwaka tinga gitiko sona ninje ningali kichirani cyane ko jamwana tosherekea umwaka otaye konza banga jitikanga rene TV ye njenja batinda itekoli njenda itekerweke njenda tenga no mwana gochiali that will be abnormal in fact it's bad manners so let us accept ngaki umuraiwenzo niga nabo ntu arenge ande karole neme so koragera ragero ko ore gotata basandi ochikuganya litukoli gutare ndebe ngao so uko tulienda kukula wenye tulienda huko na bali isikari na romanya ki arine koragera kwa lengo it was state house dinner ya beto state no muraibwense asama gacho yobo menye bu muraibwense as a county case it was not a developmental meeting ono roche otubaliri mwaka nga wose 9 10 9 8 7 ama ikukora meko tanga bono na abagusina abaire kina excitement no konyora ngi kwachi kore kwero so that one I think no anya no mo senator itorende na bwata mamocho makaigo because awatenga mtu akatai wito katai tiwalo alikuwa dara gira ali amonyere diga kana je message nene ya ringa ali swa kana saba ko mutenga ki okupona ayo achaga alende mwako to promising ntebire ngaba okara to kwenda samangana ya magendero egento kyabere yo muchanda mo essence ya Kenya no ko launch ibintu na ko launch ngole mne cancer center ya bele launch di mara ko se mara gatatu eko launch kuna ande ya launch ntoma itinza chinde gosine plan iterko be kuyaika gosina abantu bakanjira bache balengera plan I know of one of the churches here gajetu eso mugwikana bono amangana development bono gosine Kenya ni wi ekaze kwa gacho ekachirinto ndigo chikobe kuchirinto omo pastor change pastor yogo chomanga otenge design yene be mwagajite kanda yatago nande yatago ko musingi design yengao ande ndiye kiri gosine chirinto chijidirisha nande mungangocha bona I think ke culture yina we ni kalesi amagendero Kenya usikulire no anyene mubeka nturike riko se ne chinyomba chirichia gachire iga prison yali mo ko jibu murai bwenso moske professor kiture kendiki na chitororo agateba nganta chinde gose kunganye kwenge gose nye kama gya kinyomba chirichonjo chiba ya affordable housing kiango tinga itu sa development na gadro sama ngandara in fact na takere ko followed up to the point na ande bintu mbere biko nande gose substandard unabona sero botro to aligere sama ngandara wana kato kwana grama ngandara chipara nchira ko jaranga e pare ligirenga nerete ngonyonga nikira kitagi tege kolora kusako kagenda so those are the questions the queries challenge ko bakoli kurese o modita general ni report ili yae go amagendera robado ntubwente ko nyaligere risaidi na kumanyanga ngakia ko gendera na ngakia atakere kuikira unabona ke cancer center libwente ko ba the government should come in the open yet ngaki e cancer center e bwente ko era in 2 years time toma ki calendar tabenga by 2026 December ikansa nte bwente ko ba launch igo na litora nyare ko magoro to kumanye kigenda
whatever emirobiri bune ye ecovari launched because we even understand the cancer center yabete launched ikero ye serikali ya etete serikali yenye nero ke yacha yaso ase oburai nere karonj na ndipo no handa konyo tiri ko chikola wasigwa na serikali yacho ko 2027 naronyo ko launch bio jiri obokori ibwa okubwatu ko kwa magendro ande mona sorongo rwagusi into tutabwatia barai bakubwateria magendra ega because buna otutate banga iri excitement chiro na bomba wate nga tuabaire para tuabaire nini into tutabwatia bantu bako chababwatia binte bikurmai
nchenga teba ni tutabwatia bantu bakubwatia binte bikurmai otutate banga enga kie you people were in moods of celebration but kare president ya chite ekave kalige nanga bono cancer center nkorosi were it means that commencement went go chaka immediately umuyibori kararure nko gotigire nyomba goteinga egasio kore ya nyomba esa agenda tagwakire siminga saa 12 bono ngo chande chaka gokore gasi yokure abwenta chanyore ngaki egasi no gendete either gokora uso wakarire kwanye kori so it means a president karenge goche no yenge impromptu kanga anyorete at least it is somewhere erinda manya ngaki I'm starting something my people are asking for something and at least something is being done for them erinda barwe ngaki esegi karukeriwe ikarasta mshamba ikarasta bagateba wika umwaka gete gosigo wika ege after some few months years twakorire gente keiga bagagebe kretik indio gocha gusi ditukogete bekerige na ryo gochaki ochiro nyorire ngati ebintu biri bakwanete ngera tekereza nonye he will drag himself behind akomanya ngaki ese serikali ya Kisii ose ye county ya Kisii ntubwateranitise amagendero boyigo bali bago chibaba bono maiso yo muraibwense gose amaendeleo aligo cha se county boyigo I don't know whether they have any connection what are kubwatia magendo because people need work to be done what are they doing aya bakubuli guri swali ngaki totebe I'm using an example of this cancer center why have they not commenced nkibarate is it that there is no funds but yet we hear there is money yenye ntura roranga yi nkayere so to egasire usi to the people who have been given that authority to take over there is no work being done
yatora tasore sam tumanyenga what is happening asenge ncho never no mo chief whip Mheshimiwa Osoro okwana se enka yo muraibu ensasa rongora usibunaro na chika gote bari mwaye yenge Mheshimiwa Osoro na detenga bantu mbare kuruchinse mo chitwetana ne barabwe bago chano bongaini basukari vaevereri ebinte biga babibwatereri byagenda gochase chinsobo what is happening kurwa sorongorwa gusi mirobiri tetari kuikira na buna tuarire bikira
so toto na ta boma tenga hotel nero yaro beri yaro kero monto ngosabare kya haro gosaba kumana ngoko da sabene ono mena odenes kuma so kirege ndoge bwatende yaye so na after muraimen sa tira soro ngwa gusiya kasoka kagenda mtu akoreto chiripoti gaiga n'abantu they were asking abana inchi abanyene they were asking niki muhabarai mware ngiga niki mutasa beragenda tugete niki mutasa beragenda ita timbagosi mata abantu tuana there's something abantu batete gotegera kubaso muraimen na sabarai bagosi there's some expectations oh no andake people cannot reason to a point that in the grigo kiarengeshe yachite basically na yani tovu ko mwaka moya arengeshe tiaring opportunity maybe tuko cha sababu ndio kama kawaida une abantu perfect abanalete one kananga abantu kerobaga na nani bachagwa kama abarai bagosi amagenanga kimodasabera no eno mukima no me kimodasabera rose no mukima nesukuma na nalibasa but I think nalibasa bito mukima nesukuma chakogara musabe jikoni na gosaba mochari I think that was what your best mukima ne kurende bono mita sobo mu gusibe somo ko umyorenge the Senate of Kisii County umuske Richard Mwanyonko gutaikira na ase Senate yanda ben hago ya ringa sherege na ora noranda kenere na ringa tina minje duare maybe ya umrene amate ai lakini umraiwe so chire maybe andaki he had a right again to Kenya remember if there was one of the people barenga sumo stari wosi kurwania muraiwense kuri amangana adani you remember was moske Onyonka for me mo feeling na Onyonka ga ta chitese nginjaro chinganda kengo genda maybe the people the public will see that ono nkari gotera na gotera kumuraiwe so mato kumonyera na kuri kwa barai sometimes mo communicate kura lot tuna buta manye kiba kwana but wana ngeri ngabandai bakorete kibaibone so for me I felt umusko Onyonka ga rotinga ngota gotya ga ninje na beire mu rwanda rio monene kwigeti ya dani mpaka kiabere cancelled abera nyarekana ndake I'm singing the same lakini rende asenginjo yobomo for us as unity nabare ni bodi na kubara gochi nko ndeke nto igoro ya cancer center actually na atara tomo kanoni I did it personally na according to the president's statement there are kuunengyo mu contract ule ngari yote bana my friend even pesa yote umefanya nini mlipo na yani chipesa chon speed correct nyara kwa gogo akan they think kiri kura na banko when we are talking about umuraiben social launching orange again to get the guy usi usio chire constituency get orange who should be the patron who should be overseeing ngikegendre it is the member of parliament yansema yo patron ngaki inki ya korekane kurumuraiben saba for me I think among the people who should be answerable also want to kuba machibu kuchira so muraiben se inki the cancer center kuchira wa maiga tanya kwa yego koregasi umuske tanda was supposed also to be answerable because nere patron igar when we see gender we see the government nero tenene yani a project and the government it is under the member of parliament number na kitoko bana national government CDF NG CDF you go mheshimiwa Janda was supposed to be one of the people who should be answerable for Tabina despite the fact that Chief Johnson Chirure why has the project not been done so he should be one of the guys who are answerable we should not be talking about the issue of Muraiwense Narenga, Ronji Cancer Center, and that's around Jing and Tokende. We have the industrial, how we call it? Industrial park. Okay, how far? He launched. How far have we gone? Muraiwense should come, basically, again, they can have it in place. How far is it? And we should be given an ultimatum with a timeline. We can chitarikete, tumekase kana haki, chitarikete chigo. Again, the keke went to come over and sakore and chikuri launch. So that is the tune we should be speaking about.
Thank you so much. Na ningwa mentioning Mheshimiwa Janda nero bwente kubwatheria magendro taria sorongora gusi ase bunge ya Nyaribari chache sengicho cancer center mbi mwancho muriria manye cancer center yunigere Nyaribari chache higo ni igasi ni mirimo yakiro mujumbe onye project ya national government yekubikwa ase bunge yaye kurengane chinkwana cha sama watabango mujumbe ebwe bunge yo nero bwente kubwateria amagendra katika tuna nasora tutobono tokwandre all this to whatever at the end of the day ni kanetie obomo asengicho kurengane chinkwana nachika kovanya gaga chumwishimo sora watabanga chinsemo chinde chiko tubwa abo se chikubwora bangorwa gusi because they have a unity of purpose. In as much as many have been claimed to cover in some opposition, but they are getting more serikali. Now we have this ikiama kiage siasa kuna rumor singa kiage siasa kia UPA bose UPA ikikebwato bwamate bose kubwatira no bwamate no Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i yoro mu waziri mukoro. What do you think going forward kebwante ko korekana hasenga njoto twara ba mubumbo gusi is it a UPA way or Matiang'i or ngitobwenta ko korasenge njo at the end of the day we need unity.
The funniest discussion toko chikotwara bno mugusi niyo kuganigo chamo gosakata banga obmo mugusi enge njongo kwandega ne yenga aseke nsemo ya gusi ntobwate ebyama ao biribya nyara ko ba biko ba binde kurukale ebinde baka bitamanye gosemo ebiri gosembiyo munombo kana ntobwate kyama ya 40 people ya korete bya I think for the first time kyama ya korete kurugusi 40 people ya korete bya umwaka 2022 to around 23 years ago ya korete bya kima dobwate kyama ya Kenya National Congress ya tuja umwaka I think 2017 ya kwatubyo kifarangi ya wataba jumbe wabere kwa manukuru ese county ya Kisii and tuwate kiama kia PDP ese
Incoming voice call from 0745-262-160
Mingo Magararinge tuwate Kenya Social Congress kia
Incoming voice call from 0745-262-160
The elephant in the room ne kiama ikuru ku UPA. UPA so
Incoming voice call from 0745-262-160.
na no eto kuchitwa tabanga za chinde omu wasiri mukuru musike Fred Matiang'i na bwa toko bako ise kiameke umaite omu raibu kiameke akuru ku amusiki mu myalibo na ere party leader ye kiameke akuru kunga UPA na ndasa party leader na bwate uwezo yo kwa mwanga ye kiameke kiage kuchikochi because na ere party leader at the end of the day is the party leader unless you ruchi waro wanabe Matiang'i na bwa toko bako ase kiameke wose ebe tabuga toko bako ase kiameke iga nigo at the end of the day nige kuchikorigera likunga ki indecision ki omosike magada mna amosike monye bwa comek ne committee ya ekora kiameke ye ywe bwate omoliki kiameke okurukunga omosike chako bagaka omochairman yakorukunga nyambega kisesa na abande gocha arabo muchumba yo mo okuruku bonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke bonse balese kiameke iga ntukega narete ishiwe iga neyenga omo oisikuwa chingwa na chiomo governor we county ya Nyamira musika munyeribo se nyomba yo buraibwe yo bomenye bo muraibwe nsika Kisii State Lodge niga megati it very clear which as a president yere an obvious departure ko so musika Fred Matiang'i nga ninche e party leader ye kiama kia UPA na inche ndigi muna omonye ne party leader muna yole party leader tokuwa na torenga itoko kanda where does this leave Matiang'i Wezi Matiang'i sikia mkia UPA. That is the question ya bantaba kwa bwenda kwanza nyuma tutaraja ku discuss ikia mkia UPA na kwa lingi na Matiang'i. Unless Matiang'i so karibu kwa manyana tabanga ki nimbwate interest sikia mkia UPA on record. Tali gitoko nya kwa maiga chikoni kweta on record ngani mbwate interest sikia mkia UPA. Ndo meko group na kina kisinga ki if you indeed not bwate kanga kutumia mkia UPA in whichever way. Then what are you going to do ni kia mkiga considering kibwate leadership ero in office gochake party leader gochanze baka grassroots mbabwata barayanda ange kenyingima so that should be answered
asubwango in seconds because umwakili kurwa soro wangoriga Rogusi dance tanomari na tabono it's time aba gusiba but throw the weight behind Matiang'i personally you disagreed in seconds today yango inkiagera tayo go disagree go throw weight behind Matiang'i
personally nje I don't believe in throwing my weight behind an individual nje you never yani between yani in a community nje think go through my weight my weight behind a community mno gusi because at the end of the day umuntu ochikobera state house no muntu oyo oyo tali mugusi yomugwa if Matiang'i wants to be the president of Kenya we should sell him as Matiang'i tali mno mugusi numbers tito njiko twarao to ni Matiang'i mno mugusi ngano mugusi to take the state house let us sell brand corona ki Matiang'i gete number 1 estate option number 1 delinga ki Fred Okengo Matiang'i nguboriale ekirokyo president Fred Okengo Matiang'i na akorete gasingia asimiaka 10 bete muno muwasiri asa serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta lakini number 2 Fred Matiang'i kakurugusi lakini statement to chakira ngabano to chakanga Fred Matiang'i mugusi tome goja experience yara kole abuno that's my area of departure aparo no ngana kinagi I don't support mugusi ko president I support an individual Kobe president.
Teso sorry because of time Julie na Sama said I came mema kimura kwanda because ototo era siri byame binge byaga siasa bira soro nguragusi inkitoko kora wujibosio ende muno mugusi to twarabam
muno mugusi tigato chamu twarara bana siasa bange bakona kuweta na igesi chinkwano nini na inde boy gotwabe muno mugusi generally ntumaite muna bagusi gose twanga ine gose tukabwat manyinga mabe gose ne sokore yete ya tutorere tubobe lakini muno mugusi tubwente to chamo tubwaterane ototate banga is not supporting Matiang'i as a whole I guess as a community Matiang'i work as an individual so nere weko gochwe kanga nere Matiang'i but as I've seen people in social media how they feel like at least omogusi tiganya ari gutwara ekiro igorari na into abagusi to nyaru kuigwegeka gusa magendro na chansemo ya gusi at a point antu akore toro vote ru kwanda I don't know which leader in Kisii angu kwanira nga chi community kingo chi county nyinge chibwata magendro nsemo yabo esa uliyo kubwatira na babwata mono muraizinzi kwigo munama abagusi tungo goche sobwa mutubwatirane twabire gentekemo nabo tugusirana tonyore umuraiwense boigo kitwanyore umuraiwense amagendo because the main thing abantu batete abaraye sense na magendero.
Eso cha sore sam ngaki to kwente to kora sengencho we've had ne bakonyaro mo governor bwe county ya Kisumu rero na bara kwane bwe go criticize serikali batumuraibu nseka ko koreta ro cha sense meri kwanyora ngabara ikurwa sorongoro riro gima bakumwarira na mago kabere. What do we do buno mugusi ko chibosyo kwane kengo nyata into abagendra.
Again to number 1 ta ito ko tewa na ita to support what to say not be looking at a community like umuguno ino mugusi no mugusi it's good. We understand that siasa cha Kenya is what we call ethnic based because say yani ni siasa chorobo like before tara soka isko uchiko murai o Kenya lazima kurunka wala correct rana kwa wao wanjira of which is good that if it is very possible we can come together as mugusi. But the factor number 1 that we should look for nto endanga goto ko enda sa community mugusi. We have to look for friendship tora rama tiani as because Kerokobe president you are a symbol of national unity. Niabanga ni community kwa ndaya opposition itabu wakirete kura. You have no right to kubalina magendronga ambapo wakirete kura because it is their right konyora magendressing enjongwa kana bari tax. No saying about no support the media, about no kawe tax, but muta supporting more tax. We pay tax as Kenyans, you go with the server magendro whether the person from your community no maraya ustai. Wose muchumbo onare serikali mustai. We deserve amana to kurukanga amana ya magendro. No na chikiro tabangiringa in Kenya go to kwate ngendo to kurukanga ethnic based siasa chobo kesa. Abo kesa ko mona go ikoti muna abantu bete ko ngene kesa buketega esinonja numbers. Politics is numbers. We go to Arachina. So when Matiang'i comes, we ask ourselves, we as Kisi, Nkaiture, Korangana Nichi number Chito, Korangana IBC. Nkaiture. In a factor to want to correct the front Matiang'i maybe. Where are we as a community in terms of numbers Korangana IBC? Again, to kill getting a key. Abasanya, but to went to Kuriki, again, not a cabo to Kenya Kopake Kuchura, Nkiriki, Asomogusi, Gerana Kopake. It's not going to be a walk to the park. In a nutshell, making the Toprokanga into my into Nava, Namato. I can actually Namato because you must have an agreement to Nava. Avant the Bataliamo, Nava, Nawa was about to. But and talking about the unity of Homogusi, I want to say it is very funny. No, that these top leaders who should be an unifying factor. One royal Naka was no deputy, Naka was no more.
Thank you.
How can we now figure out in our mining and the 12? In 12 we see people common manage.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Allow me, Ngire, your final word. Julius, second, Komichoka, second, director, I think we are out of time. Your closing remarks as Chinkwana Chitua Kwandero and the way forward in 10 seconds.
Inchanko erali bageri gante yaba usiba itoto chaso bwamwe. Abana siasa tigaba politics siasa cha behind the tenting which vale bomerana bakora ebintu byabo na into tigatwa chama tonya rumora yo muya tokora magendero oyo togorigereje semerie kisemi tigatubwaterane erinda semi erorokane boy gomura chischool cha usiche imokire tigatumokire no moyo yo tonya ruski school cha usimutu.
Thank you so much.
Njengo lengi ntonda koliro kwa nalitubuli ala ngelinga ki tokone leo mubumu gusi tokone ya almost Fred Matiang'i kwa nekire sana na ase okwaneka kwae ne plus bocha story lakini siasa ya Kenya iko bangu mapema nzachinde amaboli nara yitu atikire ko boli atara ya neli aba Kenya kera bama kwa mu atingo tanga bagusi because bagusi ntoka akachikura mutora yake mugusita kwa kapure kai kire president iko UEFA is selling a idea ya obumo mugusi a shelf interest chia personal interest chia kando atoro kinga for the real in the real sense in reality nigata to support obumo mugusi and they bold in the sajino monto ko bold ndinga how are we going to elevate, for example, Fred Matiang'i, who was out of government to the topmost position in the country? it might be the first one because it has never happened before. So how are we going to create because nga kitoko chiko make be relevant anye ke chikabanga ngo gendare to the finishing line nga kitoko chiko make be relevant as in the achikwe oni nyore ngotambuke kuruga asale bono iga mate ese matiangere bono iga agutambuko mo MCA atambuko mo jumbe atambuko mo woman rep atambuko mo senator atambuko mo deputy governor atambuko mo governor atambuko deputy president atambuko president tuje atambuko ne bitambo so he needs to work hard.
Thank you so much Harun Ototo Nyengiri Julie Kerubona bwa sama miyenda asokone kya egi karo kya getembe nkoene kyo kira senchire ngia sentunde ntangani kegima na bwo gotokuri ira credit kuri Jumapili ntochiko bato kwikira na gaiga chinsa ibirene nusu gusanga iga mona yanda mange to sabo kwa bero koba ye chinsa mwanchu murigeria ntoranya koba to kubwata igati ye chisima singe tuna bange babere bagwa kagaiga na bange babere bagotuma chujumbe cyabo lakini tokuri ire Jumapili gocha umirana na intu tonyara ko bato gusanga amange ncheni bonkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi Wilfred Matundra kurwa maiga ye kamera kubwatira na amona Eric Buga abego mo director to Havila Kariri na obane kebuna igango ikranara senchire ya mwancho morgeria to kugandia oborgeria obya bwemero bya gandrate yekoraga chinsa inye ninchikore na gaiga se kyonga chinsa inye to sanga senchira yobo ikra
Television ekionga kiamamogusi
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echichiko n'ibintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao yani furnitures asedi golidi amabuko ebyo bikomanya segeka asechinsamo cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabwego ne chikala au mbabwate recline